Hi, today at Garfin's Creation, let's prepare this East Indian chicken Khudi curry. The recipe is mentioned below, so let's start with the recipe. Firstly, we need to prepare a coconut paste. The other ingredients I've listed out, which will be roasting and then grinding. Half fresh coconut, 1 medium size of onion, 1 inch ginger, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 3 green chillies, and a little fresh coriander. So before roasting, I will just slice the coconut pieces and onion and the ginger too. And in a pan, just add a teaspoon of oil, and firstly we'll add the coconut pieces. We will roast the coconut till it's nice and brown. We can also use freshly grated coconut for this. We need to keep stirring this so that it gets brown on all the sides. And once this gets a little brown, we'll be adding the sliced onion. This is 1 medium sized onion that has been sliced, and we'll start roasting this too till it gets a little soft and light brown in color. You can also make mutton Khudi curry with the same recipe. You will have to cook the mutton first and then add it to the masala paste and follow the same recipe like this. Now once the onions are a little brown, I'll be adding the ginger, garlic and the green chillies. Just roast this for a minute and then we'll switch off the flame. Now we'll let this cool completely before we could grind it into a fine paste. Now this is cooled down, we'll just transfer it into a mixie jar. Also add in the fresh coriander leaves into it. We'll just grind this into a fine paste just using a little water. Now we'll keep this masala aside. In a vessel, just add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And once the oil is hot enough, we'll be adding 7 to 8 black peppercorns, 1 star anise, 2 Elaichis, 1 piece of cinnamon, 1 bay leaves and 2 Laung, that is cloves. And once the corn starts splattering, we'll be adding the ground masala paste. Along with the masala paste, we'll also be adding 2 teaspoons of East Indian bottle masala. If you do not have East Indian bottle masala, you can substitute that with some Malwani Masala or chicken masala or Sunday special masala too. Now we need to cook this masala paste on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes or until the oil starts oozing out from the side. Also do keep stirring this in between. Avoid the masala from getting burned, so do keep stirring it in between. And as you see the little oil that starts coming out from the side, that is the time then when we'll add the chicken. So here I've added half a kg of chicken curry pieces. I've also added 1 potato, 1 carrot and salt as per taste. I also rinse the mixie jar with some water and give this all a mix. I've just added a little carrot and a little potato. You can also increase the quantity of that same. After mixing this, I'll just add a little more water. Add the water as per the gravy you require. If you want a thicker gravy, you can add less water. So I've added approximate 1 cup of water. We'll let this come to a boil and then we need to cover this and cook it till the chicken is completely done. If you prefer, you can also add in green peas into this. And also do keep stirring this in between. Then we'll continue cooking this till the chicken is fully cooked. Now you can see here that the chicken and the masala is all well cooked. And now we'll just add in the last ingredient, that is the tamarind pulp. Just soak in some tamarind in hot water and use a pulp. Mix this all once more and just let it cook for another 1 minute. In place of tamarind, you can also use sour lime or vinegar. And with this, our East Indian chicken Khudi curry is ready. This chicken curry goes well with rice, bakris, pao, chapatis too. Lastly, for the garnishing, I'll just add in some freshly chopped coriander leaves. This curry tasted so delicious with knee dosa too. The recipe for a perfect knee dosa is already on my channel. I hope you too will be trying this yummy and delicious East Indian chicken Khudi curry. More recipes coming up, so to stay tuned, do subscribe to Garfin's Creation. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon again. Till then, take care and bye-bye.